Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to wake the screen when there's an incoming notification on Infinix Smart 8. And guys, sometimes we don't realize that there's an incoming notification on our cell phone which is turned off, or because we turn off the notification sound. And to overcome this, I will give a tutorial on how to wake the screen when there's an incoming notification. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone. Okay, here to make things easier, just search on the search engine like this, and I will search for wake the screen. Okay, and then you can click for it, and you can disable for don't wake for notification on the screen, so that the screen will light up or will wake up when there's an incoming notification. Okay, the example like this, I will turn off the phone and then the screen will turn on when there's a notification like this. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to wake the screen when there's an incoming notification on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.